How to replace Honda Civic, Honda CRV, Honda Accord, and many Hondas CVT transmission fluid. First, you start with the quality transmission fluid. Don't buy OEM, overpriced, overhyped. Buy quality fluid that has reviews to protect your investment. Your car is your investment. Can you find the reviews on Honda's website for their fluid? No, you cannot. Well, by the way, Honda does not make their own transmission fluid. Here is the proof. Aftermarket companies make transmission fluids, motor oils and such, and then put the OEM labels. No OEM makes their own fluid. Keep that in mind. So we're going to start with that. First step is to get the car up in the air. Next step, you gotta remove that aluminum shield, aluminum skid plate, whatever that is. You have clips, you have something like that, you have couple bolt 10 mils. So there's quite a few things you gotta remove to get to it. That's why it's not that cheap to replace your remove skid plate. Put a drain pan. I apologize for the noise. And here is the drain plug. Right there. I'm gonna break it loose and go from there. Interesting. So it's not even up 3/8. Oh, it is 3/8. Never mind. 3/8. Okay. Make sure the pen is clean, because we're going to fill it back in with how much came out. Or there is a chuck plug. And since we're not replacing the filter, since it only has 40-something thousand miles, filter is not needed replaced, unless you are having problems with your transmission. As you can see, there's a lot of stuff on it, a lot of metal shavings. That's why it's important to keep the fluids replaced and changed on a regular basis. So now we're gonna put the black plug back in, still dripping. We wiped it clean magnet. We're gonna replace the washer and put a brand new washer. Torque it to 36 pounds. Then we're gonna measure fluid, how much came out, put it back in. Okay, snug it. Now we're going to use torque wrench, 36 foot-pounds. That's it. We did 35. I don't think 36 is going to cut it, make any difference, or big difference. We're going to wipe it clean, and then we'll spray it clean once we're done. So as you can see, we have probably 3 quarts easy, very dirty fluid. Let's measure it. We're going to use the same size container by amsoil, so we get exactly the same correct amount. So this is how much came out, 3 quarts and 2.8. You might say, well, not exactly 2.8. Well, you are correct. You are correct, not exactly 2.8. And why am I say 2.8? You know why? See that residual oil in the pan? Some of it dripped off in there just to make it up, right? Maybe slightly, tiny bit more, but that's where we're gonna go. And that's it. That's how you change your Honda CVT fluid.